Hola, bienvenidos a la clase de español de Señora Castillo. Unfortunately, I'm not able to be with you during our open house, but I did want to drop a note to let you know that I am excited about this new school year. Please feel free to send me an email with any questions or comments, or if you have any suggestions for the classroom. La señora Castillo tiene 4 hijos, 2 niñas, 2 niños, pero ya no son bebés, ya están grandes. Esta niña está en Kennesaw, esta niña trabaja en California Tech, este niño está en Lanier Tech y este niño trabaja en Atlanta. Ya no tiene niños pequeños, la señora Castillo tiene unos jóvenes. Señora Castillo también tiene un monstruo en su casa. Es un monstruo muy grande. Se llama Ash. Es una perra muy traviesa. Hopefully your students share my little presentation at the beginning of the school year a few days ago, and they have an understanding that we will use the language more and more each time. For level 3, 4, they have first semester year-long responsibility to the class. For level 3, then second semester is a year-long responsibility of the content for level 4. I am confident that your students share the course description. If you go to East Learning, Spanish 3 or Spanish 5 course, you'll find the course description and other general information under the Welcome Back tab. If you have any questions about the different items listed under the course descriptions, please feel free to send me an email. I am very excited, like I said, of this new school year, and I am excited about both levels 3, 4, and level 5. For the level 5 classes, is a more conversational, life skills related class where they will recycle all other general knowledge related to Spanish. But at the same time, we will explore a lot of topics that will be meaningful to them as they're prepping for life after high school. For both classes, I am encouraging students to follow up with the different distinction seals and distinction diplomas and medallions that they could earn once they complete the course. There is some additional requirements, and I will be sharing those throughout the semester. Again, I'm sorry I cannot be there with you, and I hope to see you soon in any of the different events and activities that happen here at South. Once more, welcome back to South Forsyth High School. It is a new school year and it's going to be a very exciting year. Thank you.